Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing this look. I did this look at a glam party for my friend. I did this look for her and I absolutely loved it, and I told myself in my head I am doing a makeup tutorial on this for my first makeup video that I've done in a long time. So this is that video. I'm sorry it's been a long time since I've made videos. I've just been super busy and yeah, my schedule has been swamped with stuff to do. So we're going to be doing this look today, and I hope you guys like it. Let's get started. I'm going to take some MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to spray this all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender and blend it. It's been so long since I've done a tutorial that I feel so rusty, and I'm just like, I don't know how to act. I don't know how to talk. I'm just like lost here for a second. I'm going to be taking some ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm going to be using this to prime my eyes. And I just stick it on a little bit on my eyelids and then blend it out with my beauty blender. I think you guys seen me do this like a million times, so you guys know what I do. Okay, so now that I have my eyes primed, we are going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette today. It's so pretty. We are going to be using some bold, bright colors. So I think I'm going to be using these three colors right here. Maybe the purple, maybe. And we're going to be using this blue today too. So I'll be taking the first shade, and it's called Bahamas, the bright pink shade, and I'll be taking that shade and packing it on my crease. Ooh, yes. Hopefully my camera's picking up how bright it is. It kind of matches like the flamingos in the background. Yay! So I'm keeping it really low on my eyelid. I'm not really passing my crease line, because I'm going to take the other pinks and blend it out with this color, and I don't want too much of this pink really high up. I kind of want it to be like a gradual like ombre of pinks if we can. And I'm just going to lightly blend this out. Then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So next I'm going to be taking a different pink shade. I'm taking this color called Monte Carlo, right here, right next to it. And I'm going to be taking a little bit on my blending brush, and I'm going to blend a little bit up top. Let's see if I can do it. Right here is where I'm going to start, and I'm just going to blend gently around. I'm doing this really gentle because I don't want to scratch off any of the bright pink. I want to keep this really, really vibrant as possible. I'm just lightly blending around. And I don't want too much of the other color because I want to keep this as bright as possible, like I said. Just gonna blend, blend, blend. And sometimes I like to drag out like my eyeshadows because I go in and conceal anyways right here. So any mess that I make right here, I'm gonna clean up anyways. So let's see if I can fix up this. Very nice. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. I think I've got them both blended out really nicely. I think next I'm going to be taking a different color. I just have to find the brush that I was going to use. Make sure this isn't chunky. What is on that? So fucking nasty. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the color Palermo. I think that's the name, Palermo. How do you say that? Palermo. I'm going to be taking this pink color. And it's a metallic pink. I'm going to take that. I have another color that I need. Oh, here it is. I need another palette. Okay, so I'm going to be using this flat brush right here. And I'm going to use that brush to pack on the pink color. Normally I would wet the brush. I'm going to wet it a little bit and see if it works. See if it does what I want it to. But I'm going to take this color, which is the right side. I'm going to pack it right here in the middle. Oh, God. Here we go. Ooh, yes. We like. Just packing it right here on the middle. Now I wanted this color to kind of match the bright pink we have already on here, because I'm going to be taking a lighter metallic color and kind of giving it like a nice halo effect. These are my favorite looks to do. I love doing these looks. I know some people are tired of seeing them, but I love them. I just think they make your eyes pop. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to be taking this weekend festival from BH Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever used this one on my channel, but I'm going to try to whip this out more. And I'm going to be going in with the color Spirit. I'm going to be taking my finger and dipping into Spirit and just tapping it gently on my lid right there. I don't want to go anywhere else but right there. Then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So this is pretty much all I wanted to do for the eyes. I just wanted a strong, bold, pink color. I'm going to go do my foundation. I'm not finished. I'm just going to do my foundation real quick and my face, and then we'll finish off the eye look with some lashes and stuff like that. Okay, so I finished my face makeup off camera. I added a purple color underneath my eyes and added lashes and my eyebrows off camera as well. And the color purple that I used is called Cans right here. I don't know if you can see it. Ew, this color right here. And I just took it underneath and just blended it, and I took it all the way up this way so it would kind of blend in with the pink color. I'm going to finish the rest of the eye look with you guys, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So in the picture you can't really tell, I added a blue color to the inner corner of her eyes, and it looked so amazing in person. And then I'm going to be using... These people know I can't read, so I think it's a different way of spelling seashells. So anybody that uses this, I'm going to use this blue color. I'm not going to say the name of it. I think it's pronounced seashells, and they just spelt it differently, but I'm a little stupid, you guys. I'm going to be taking this round blending brush and packing it on, let me see if I can get it, on my brush. And then I'm going to be sticking it on the inner corner of my eye. Yes. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to gently blend it a little bit. See how that, look at that. Oh, yes. I love it. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And it has like a duochrome effect. It's got like greens and purples in it, and like when I shift I can see like the blue and the green, but it's so pretty. little bit and pack that on the middle. I'm gonna put a lot on me today because I want this to show up. Oh, got something in my eye. And I'm just gonna take this part and blend it towards the pinks so it looks really pretty. Like, look at that. It blends so beautifully. Oh, yes. There we go. Next, I'm gonna be taking, I think I'm gonna take the same color from the Weekend Festival palette. I think I'm gonna take Spirit again. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my finger. I have a small precise brush that I can reach in there with, and I think I'm just gonna stick some like on the brightest, like right here, just to kind of brighten that little corner up. Like, I'll show you. Hold on. Just right here. Let's give it like a blinding highlight spot. Yes, blind it, sister. Ugh. Here we go. Oh yes. Oh my god. Holy crap. This looks amazing. Okay, and next I'm going to be taking Spirit for a highlighter shade. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I enjoyed making a video again, and hopefully I can keep making videos because it's been a long time since I've made them, and I've been making it a point to make more videos and put it on my schedule, so I will try my hardest to keep making videos for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.